Hello everyone, it is a beautiful Sunday morning in San Francisco and I am here at IKEA. I am ready for lunch, but I am not going to the dining hall. I'm actually going next door to Saluhall, IKEA's first ever owned food market. Let's see what it's about. Oh, it's so cool. Hello. We got here pretty early, so there's not a lot of people yet. This place is made up of 2 floors. On the first floor, they got your bakery, ice cream, vegan burger joint, and even a bar. But I want something more substantial first, so I'm gonna go upstairs and see what else they have. Up on the second floor, there's a wide array of restaurants with both vegan and meat options. We spent some time seeing what's available before deciding on what to get. At the end, we locked our eyes on Momo for some noodles, and Curry Up Now for their Punjabi rice bowl. The vibe at this place is so cool and has so many food choices here. I'm glad we came here early because the lines are getting long right now. From Momo Noodles, it's their Popo special. Oh, it looks so good. It's got some spicy pork. I'm gonna try that here. It's not too spicy. It's actually really nutty for some reason. I think it's the peanut sauce. Really good. Try the noodles. Noodles are still chewy. Again, nutty from the peanut sauce. I think there's a little chili oil, so there's a little kick to it. Flavors are really good. I love it. This is called the Punjab chicken. It's like a mixture of tikka masala, sag paneer, which is like a spinach, and paneer cheese, one of my favorites. Oh, it's really good. There's so much flavor. The spices just kicks you in the face. All right, let's try the beans. I'm not a big fan of beans, but these beans are really good too. Same thing, lots of spice, lots of heat on the beans. It's really good. All right, lastly, my favorite, the paneer. Let's try this one. Creamy. I love the texture from the cheese. Overall, really good dish. Highly recommend it. I'm pretty full already, but I always got room for dessert. Let's go back down and see what we can get. I got some pastries, and a little early, but why not? It's 5 o'clock somewhere. An alcoholic drink. It's their Lingonberry Vodka Fizz. So let's see if this is good. Oh, I love it. It's a little sweet, a little fizzy. I think that's grapefruit. The lingonberry is really sweet, but it's not overly sweet, so it fits really well into this drink. It's really good. Highly recommend it. You should try it. This one is the Almond Frost Snapper. It has some sesame seeds on the outside. Let's look what's inside. All right, let's see. I think this is supposed to be like an almond croissant, but in a twisted form instead. Oh, okay. Here's the marzipan. All right, let's see how it is. I'm making a mess here. Really good. Tastes exactly like an almond croissant. Super crunchy. The sesame seeds add a little more nuttiness. Super good. I love it. Highly recommend it. All right, this one, excuse me, I'm gonna butcher the name. Chocolate coconut pandour. It looks like a Danish, so let's see if it's good. It's really good. It's crispy. The chocolate is like bittersweet. The middle, I think it's the coconut custard. It's super sweet. So when you mix it together, it just has the right balance of sweetness in your mouth. I think I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Excuse me. All right, I'm done eating right now, so I'm gonna go shopping at IKEA. Bye bye.